Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Motorola Moto G. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now you can click open and then click agree and continue. Now you can close that and then click allow. Now click consent and click on this button to start VPN and then click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.